Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Bailey. You're welcome. And if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe by hitting the subscribe button down below. Today, obviously, we're going to be trying some lip products because I have nothing on my lips. One of my favorite lip products since literally 2015 when I worked for Too Faced was the lip injection. I love the lip injection. I love the lip injection extreme. I love it. I live for the burning. Not everyone can handle it because it is a little bit unnerving, a little bit unsettling. It feels like something is happening to your lips because it is. It's the only lip plumper. Well, no, I do find that this is the strongest lip plumper though. I have tried other lip plumpers that will work and will plump your lips, but I find that the Too Faced lip injection, it's the one that's actually gonna, I feel like, give you the most visible results for a very long period of time, not just like instant for a minute and then go away. I'm so excited about this because why? They have come out with colors and I'm so excited, or like tints, I suppose. So Too Faced has their lip injection, their regular one. This is kind of a nasty one because I put this on top of my lipsticks, so it's like a little bit icky. Then they also came out with the lip injection glossy, which actually have like an opaque tone to them. And when they came out with these, I want to say last year or maybe like a year and a half ago, something like that, I was like, oh, I really like these, but I wish it was just like a little bit of a tint, like a color. Dude, guess what? They've come out with them! And I have all 5 that I'm going to swatch for you guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. The one in the middle in the white box is the original. So essentially we have 4 colors that we're going to be trying out on our lips. I'm so excited about this, and the names are super cute. We have Bubblegum Yum, Tangerine Dream, Pink Punch, and Strawberry Kiss. It's so cute. Just for a comparison for you guys, I have all of the new products in this hand, which I'm going to be trying, and some cat hair. The original lip injection, this is not the extreme, it's just the original lip injection, and then the lip injection extreme. That's what those two look like. The extreme one is just a little bit more extreme than this one. If you're new to the Too Faced lip injection, go with the original if you want, just to try first if you're a sissy pants. But if you're not a sissy pants, then go for one of these. Then they came out with this, which is the opaque glossy lip injection glossy. So obviously you can tell the difference. This actually has a tone to it and it is more opaque. So I'll do a little swatchy swatch on my hand there. I like this color, but I was always like, I wish there was just like a tint, you know, like a little something you can put on your lips and it would tint them a tiny bit. And like, my goodness, it's literally here. And they have answered my prayers. I'm actually so genuinely excited about this. So let's get these on my disgusting, dirty lips. You guys can see the different tints. Ah! And I will say this, you're not supposed to put it on your skin because it may cause redness, and it will cause redness. So I am going to wipe this off of my hand because that is not good and my hand is going to get red. So the thing with this is you also need to apply it within your lip line. Again, if you put it anywhere on your face, on your skin, it will turn red because of the ingredients in it. That's going to plump your lips. I have a little info sheet here and it just says 97% said it delivers instant results, lips feel moisturized, and 93% said lips look fuller and more plump. And it says you can apply at day. Oh my god, it says you can apply day or night. Lord have mercy on my mouth. I cannot speak. I need gloss on, okay? I'm going to start out with Lip Injection Extreme Original. So this is just pretty much a clear gloss. We're gonna put this on. Oh my gosh, my lips are gonna be so plump by the end of this. So this is Lip Injection Instant and Long-Term Plumper. Let's get it on. I'm gonna wait a minute. Been about 1 minute, and with the original on you can see my lips turning a little bit pink already and they're getting a little bit more voluminous. I'm gonna wait a tiny little bit more. This has been on my mouth for about, maybe I want to say 3 minutes. The intense tingling and like almost needling feeling has kind of subsided. My lips are more plumper, they're a little bit smoother, which is what I really like, and that's why I like using this product. I remember there was this one troll that would always comment on my videos saying like, if you're gonna do lip swatch videos, you have to get lip injections. And I always thought, I'm like, what kind of standard, like, sir, I don't, ma'am, like, it's not happening for me. Anyway, so there's the original. I can still feel it kind of around the perimeter of my mouth tingling and kind of everywhere actually. But for the most part, we have a little bit of a fuller lip. So let's try the next one on. The next one. Oh my god, I can't talk. Okay. I will tell you, my lips are, as you can see, they're pink because blood has been rushing to them. So we're gonna be trying the light baby pink color, which is called Bubblegum Yum. So this is the tint of it. It's just like a slight like baby pink tint. I will say this kind of reminds me of like adult Smackers. Smuckers is the jam, Smackers is the lip stuff, right? Yeah, it kind of just like reminds me of the adult version of that, just because of it's like juicy, right? Like it's juicy. I've let it sit on my lips for a little bit. I do like the baby pink tone. I'm not sure if I can really tell the difference between the Bubblegum Yum and the original quite yet, because I do know that the original turns my lips pink automatically from the irritation on my lips. But I do think it looks a little pinker. Am I going crazy? Maybe. Especially like around here, I find that it's super pink. But that also just might be my irritated lips. I don't know. Next shade I'm going to be trying is called Tangerine Dream, and this is kind of like an orange tint. This is the only one currently on Sephora.com that is in stock. All the others are sold out. I guess maybe people don't want to purchase this one, but this is actually the first one I put on my lips, which isn't that so interesting? Like, this is such a cute color. Why would you want this? Like, it's, I don't know. Anyway. And I'm also gonna let this sit on my lips for just a couple minutes, just so we can see it in full effect. I like this color though. I've let Tangerine Dream sit. It's burning, my lips are on fire. I don't know why I decided to do this lip swatch video. They're on fire. You can really see like the outside of my lips from like rubbing off and rubbing on and getting it everywhere. Like, this stuff works. I don't need to tell you that it works because it does work. I just want you guys to see the colors. And I actually really like this color. Why aren't people buying this one? I like it. It's like a beautiful, like, I don't know, in the mirror it looks a little bit orangier than it is coming off on camera, but that could be the monitor. Hello. Okay, before my lips fall off, let's try another one. Next up, we're gonna be trying Pink Punch, which is a little bit more of a raspberry tone than Bubblegum Yum. Just has a little bit more of a pinkier magenta. Yes. I feel like I could have saw a little bit more like pigment to that one. My final thoughts are, will I use these? Yes. Do I love them? Yes. I love that they have a tint to them and they're not like an opaque color like the Lip Injection Glossy. I like these, but the colors are like, if you don't want that color, like, you're kind of screwed, right? And I really like these because it's just a tint. It can go on top of something. I really like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My lips are on fire right now. Like, I don't know if you guys know, but like, it's on fire. Okay, so love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.